smart solutions that we can inculcate in the school education. Let's continue and invite the next presentation. On the stage we have from academic evangelist from Next Education India Private Limited. Everyone, let's please put our hands together for Dr. Ruchi Pandey.
Next Education itself creates a kind of thought, what is next? And actually my company is talking about the next platform of education, which is basically talking about technology integrated education. I being into 25 years serving schools, K-12 schools, and looking after the type of education we used to have. When I go back to my education system, it's a huge difference which has gradually coming into education, and being parents of millennial generation and now catering alpha generation, it's really a tough time for parents. So when I talk about all these things and I scroll myself back past years, and as a mother, as a teacher, then as a principal, then now working with Next Education as an academic evangelist, I am more keen and learning so many things which education is now putting up. And it's really so amazing to see that what is the next level coming up. We were children where we were having only a resource called a book. We don't have even technology in our classrooms. Being a student of international school, I saw computers when I was in class 9 or 10, and now see what the changes coming up. So keeping those things in mind, Next Education has came into existence. So this is a company which started in the year 2007, and with the founders, Mr. Rala and Mr. Kamath. Both are from IIT background, with the thought of making education technical, which any educationist would think who is into education and who is a technocrat. So the company came into existence from then. Then moving on to the next level, we explored from 2007 till now. We have 18,000 plus schools across India whom we are catering our services. Then moving on to, if I talk about school giving services end-to-end, books, ERPs, LMS, operating systems, and number of things. Not only this, we are into academic partnership programs as well. So what actually we are doing, we are collaborating with school and we are giving them end-to-end solution how to develop a building of concrete with a student, with some student, or not even with students. That's just the inception of the school, a vision of a school to actual school, and from there to a developed school, and then from there to a next level school, which will actually cater global citizens. एक word आता है there, we used to call international school. Everybody will say boards of international school. What do you mean by this international school? A school with English medium books, that's it? No, a school which make child capable to stand internationally, to present himself internationally, to be a technical person who can think in that way, who can integrate his education with the real life situation. And this is what Next is all about. So we are into academic partnership programs as well. If I talk about school company, what company is all doing. So we have a Teach Next interactive panels with all our modules and all. We have our own curriculum. See, some people are very good in their implementations of curriculum. Some are very good in LMS. Some are very good in their operating systems, their hiring part, placement, training. But we are end-to-end solution. We talk about everything. You talk about school, we talk about building design, we talk about how it's to be placed, consultancy for that, mentorship for that. Then you talk about a classroom, we talk about the students, the furniture, the settlement of the school, then how to get the child into the school, and from there developing the child, the technology, the modes, the education, everything that a person can think about a school, we talk about that. So if I talk about Next operating system, we actually have a wonderful operating system which is integrating all our programs at one platform, whether it's a teacher, a student, a parent, all the stakeholders. So everybody onto one platform is through Next operating system. Next 360. Some schools are well settled and they don't want anybody to interfere in their infra part and development part. But they are having some challenges in their development of curriculum and all that. So we provide 360 curriculum, which is end-to-end solution for their books, integration of the book with the technology, operating system, teacher training, and complete implementation of their academics along with the books that the child is using in the classroom. The curriculum, end-to-end frame. So this is 360 model where we cater all the services, but this is something different from academic partnership. Academic partnership includes from the inception to the execution end-to-end solutions. But 360 is a small box of that, a part of that, which is only talking about the challenges, a customized program which is developed to solve the challenges of the school where they are finding whether it is hiring, training the teacher, not hiring, training the teachers, getting their books implementation, getting the question papers, giving them worksheets, all those things that we do in the academy. So day-to-day operation, if would be the right word to say. These are the schools that we are associated with. If I talk about the school here, Acadia, Brainseed, Brainwave, this segment completely is our academic partnership schools that we are having across India. We have a school Blooms in Goa for academic partnership. So if I talk about Goa, then let's come to Andhra. We have Carriage International School, so which we along with the owner was the one, I'll tell you small, I was a part of this development. So owner was having an idea that I wanted to have a school. I was having multiple college, I'm having so many things. I want to have a school. And you won't believe, we started that school last year in the month of November. Building was not there, the things were going on, and the process was still a college building to be converted to school. From there, today we are having 490 residential children studying in that school, which was a blank building, a hollow building without any amenities in that. And there was a vision that I wanted to start a school. Next has given end-to-end solution, and you won't believe 490 boarding students are studying in that school. And we have many happy parents. So this is how we work with academic partnership program. Others are our Middle East partners as well. So these are the schools that we talk. Now, the school is one part that we talk. 360, I already explained it to you. Operating system is where we talk about end-to-end solution to the management and development of the school. And for Teach Next is our interactive panel, which is having all the details of the book, which is already there with the child. So these are all. If I talk about next operating system, what do we have in that? So it's a learning management system. I think everybody understands this. We have n number of Zoom lectures, n number. And we are recently into foundation courses as well. Then we have curated course planning for different schools. Suppose a school in South India might not be accepting the complete curriculum of North India. So we have that process of curated development. Then we have reports development in that. Along with that, extensive platform for questions that we can think of. So we have an academy, Next Academy, where we train our trainers, our teachers, and we do the changes in the curriculum. It's not like the question which was there 5 years before when company was there and it's still there. No, it is not there. Every year, we have more than 70% new questions created by the teacher across India and outside India as well. So it's a beautiful bank of questions that we have developed. If I talk about admission management, yes, I am an active part in this. So a school wants to start and we have a building, we have books, we have everything in place. Now, whom to teach? The child. From where to get the child? So we have a wonderful program where we talk about admissions as well. See, you are putting this much of me. We talk straight onto the figures, and I am actually looking after this admission model. I am an academician, having a fair knowledge about academics, worked with CBSE schools for more than 13 years as a principal. Then I joined EdTech, and now I'm working onto a different model, totally different from my taste, that is admissions. And you won't believe, we have more than 6,000 children enrolled with us with our academic partnership program, and the end-to-end admissions are being taken care by the company. We have online process of admission. We have complete tracking process of admission. We have conversions as well. So if we say that this is the number that we are going to convert for you, we are always ahead of that. Suppose number X we have committed, and we wanted to you to any school person to collaborate ki this theek hai, the X number I'm okay with that. We always go with X plus 50, X plus 100. So this is our admission, and this is one of our hits in admission actually. So this is all, and if I talk about the processes like examinations, we have a question. See, when we start, it is Q&A session with the classroom, then we have grade books, we have activities, then we have feeds and reports, and then generation of examination. See, there are certain areas where we excel. Is that if a child is to be evaluated, how we used to do, you have scored 90% or 95%, you are A+, then you are B+, then you are C, accordingly. But actually what I feel is that our company is looking into how child is growing. Suppose a content is of 100 marks that the child is to be evaluated, and he has scored 25 marks. We create a level up examination for that particular child. So it's one-on-one learning and one-on-one analysis. So this is the difference which we are having, which is not there in many of our academic programs. So this is where we are different. Another area that we are different is that the questionnaire that we develop, that is again a child-centered questionnaire. So we don't have 1 or 2 or 5 or 10 or 20 people working with us. We have a team of more than 500 academicians across India who are working with us actively for the development and for the modern inclusion of questions into that. All skill-based we have started now, our company is doing from last 10 years. All case-based we have started now, our company is doing from last 12 years. So we are into this process. This is a brief view of the ERP. As I am completely telling you, from the gate, see, when a principal enters a gate, I have a fair idea about it. From the gatekeeper, from the attendance to the principal office, then timetable, then development of the substitutions, assembly, fee collection, problems, examination, everything that a principal desk is for is being taken care by Next. So principal is having now an assistant as a technology, a tech assistant called Next, to help her to generate all her reports and requirements that she has. People might change. मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा challenge होता था. My secretary used to change. Then I am searching my files. So Next has solved all the problems now. So this is best that they are doing. And for the principal who are not technology upgraded, for them we have n number of trainings. So there is no at any level to anybody, whether it is a teacher, whether it is a principal, whether it is a management system of the managers of the school. So this is how we are doing. Skill-based report card that I am talking about. So we have a curriculum which is divided into multiple levels and depending upon the skill. So that is where we are into. AI-powered adaptive assessment. So what happens if a child has solved a question paper and he has scored 40% out of it? The next paper will be depending upon how much he has learned, how much he has scored. So reading out from his mindset, his actions that he has taken in the question paper, there is another paper generated, so child would be enjoying. It's like sometimes you all must have felt in the classroom. सबकी टीचर ने कहा होगा तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता. You don't know anything. कभी ना कभी तो किसी ना किसी क्लास में जब हम लोग पढ़ते थे तो ऐसा होता था, क्योंकि हमारे टीचर्स they were not formal. बड़े प्रोटोकॉल्स वाले नहीं होते थे, उनको आता बहुत कुछ था, बट दे वर नॉट प्रोटोकॉल फॉलोइंग टीचर्स. तो वो तो हमारे यू टाइम में तो वी यूज्ड टू हैव पिटाइज एंड ऑल दैट इन द क्लासरूम, एंड वो कुछ भी बोलते थे. तो अभी क्या है कि वी आर इनटू अ जनरेशन वेयर बच्चा गेट्स ऑफेंडेड कि माय टीचर क्वेश्चनड मी इन द क्लास, एंड पेरेंट्स गेट इवन मोर ऑफेंडेड. बच्चा तो बाद में आता है प्रॉब्लम लेकर, उसका पेरेंट घर जाने के विदिन मतलब लंच भी नहीं करते हैं, दे स्टैंड आउटसाइड प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस, अ ह्यूज चैलेंज. So to solve that, we are actually looking into that, and this is how we are trying to solve it. We have adaptive assessment, जहाँ पर आज क्योंकि ऑफेंड हो रहे हैं तो सोल्यूशन तो देना पड़ेगा ना, तो ऑफेंड ना हो उसके लिए वी हैव चेंज्ड कि सी यू नो एवरीथिंग, but depending upon your learning we are going to have a level of question paper, and that is why examination patterns are now changing into, moreover most of the schools till class 8 it is now into grading patterns. So this is how AI powered adaptations we have. Assessment generation tools we have with which we generate the question paper, and question bank management system that I am telling you. Every teacher who is teaching, so we have a process of self-learning as well. So suppose I am a teacher and I am teaching something in the classroom, what will happen? I have to publish 5 to 7 questions of my own onto my portal. So what I'll do, if the question is same which is already there, if the question is from CBSE or from any other resource that I have taken up, it will get rejected. So being a mentor, being a teacher, being a trainer, I have to be innovative and I have to be a good learner. Then only I am allowed to go into the classroom. And teacher's report card is also generated. It's not like student always. How much they have learned, how much they have adapted, how many questions they have published, how many papers they have given to the organization. It's all being evaluated. How many times they have opened our IFT panels. Everything that a teacher does in the classroom is under observation. Such kind of integration we do. Then if I talk about the next thing is next 360. So 360 is dealing with LMS, ERP, academic tools and assessment process. We have curriculum kits also. Hands-on learning activities, interactive content, virtual labs and self-learning solution with adaptive assessment all explained. One thing here is a very different thing that we do. We have an academic audits. So being a part of that, what I do, we have a team of third party as well, and our company also have a team. So we approach school, we do end-to-end audit of that school, starting from the academics to the operations to the management, accounts, everything with which we have done a bond with the owners. So we do an audit, extensive audit is being done, and with that we generate reports. And we do a projection, how much we are growing organically. Our company is not like this, ki kar liya and there is no outcome of that. Our management have first question, what is the outcome of this activity? So whatever we are doing, we have to give the outcome of that. So this is the best part of it. One more thing we are having here is Parent Connect program. Usually, most of the school, how they do, they have a general PTMs. आप गए, आपने PTM अटेंड किया, टीचर ने PTM किया, and it's all done, finished. We don't do like that. We do Parent Connect program, where we keep on giving them a lot of training. See, we are there. My experience also has the same pain points. Like I am there with the child for 6 hours in the school. What about the left out hours that the child is there at home? What kind of environment you are giving at home? That is to be developed. If the parent is going to change, then only the child is going to change, because home is the first school that the child is having. So we have a Parent Connect program where where parents are called and they are taught about what is going on in the school and how we are taking up academics. Teach Next is our interactive panel, completely integrated with our books, curriculum, assessment, everything. Our curriculum has these kind of books which are, moreover, for pre-primary we have a hybrid classrooms, personalized assessment reports that I have told you. If I talk about the quality of books, it's one of the finest that I have seen, and being when I was principal, I was using the same in my schools as well. So all these things we have. Now here comes the concept that now we are having of labs. Why this concept came? You all are educationists, you all know about it. So always there is a question, what is the need of lab? See, the children nowadays are not those who can be only taught, पढ़ लिया, याद कर लिया, exam दे दिया. No, there is a question called why everywhere. So the next education has come up with the solution, why, and then With that why the child comes to the maths lab, why it is fraction is 2 by 3, how, why 2 up and why 2 down. So this is how we have done. We have robotics lab, we have science lab and English lab. Next is our detailed maths and science, English, robotics, science, all these are there. And then we have STEM curriculum as well. So these are the complete tools that we use. Delhi NCR and UP, we will be doing it. So thank you for being so patient listener. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.